Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English with us. Today's episode is a little bit different. We're not doing a lesson. Steve, you said we're going to talk about movies today?
Exactly, Maya. Today, I'm going to show you how watching movies and TV series can actually boost your English, from total beginner to intermediate level.
That sounds fun. I mean, who doesn't love watching movies? But how do I know which ones are right for my level?
That's a great question, and that's exactly what we're going to discover together. Let's go step by step. From a 0, absolute beginner, to B1, confident English speaker.
Okay, let's start from the very beginning. What should I watch if I'm a complete beginner?
At that level, you need clear pronunciation, short sentences, and visual storytelling. I always recommend 3 classics: Peppa Pig, Muzzy and Gondoland, and Extra English.
Wait, Peppa Pig. Isn't that for kids?
Yes, but that's the secret. Children's shows are perfect for beginners because they repeat words naturally. Things like "I like apples" or "let's go outside." It helps your brain recognize English sounds automatically.
That makes sense. And what about Extra English?
Oh, that one's brilliant. It's like Friends, but made for learners. The characters speak slowly, use simple grammar, and repeat key phrases. It's funny and easy to follow. You'll learn real conversations without pressure.
Okay, I'm starting to understand English now. What's next?
Now you move to level A2, where you can follow basic conversations and want to sound more natural. This is the perfect time to start with Friends, The Crown, and The Intern.
Ah, Friends. I've seen clips of it everywhere.
Exactly. Friends is the best series ever made for English learners. It's full of daily conversations, humor, and emotion. You'll learn how people really speak. Short, natural, and full of expressions like, "Come on," "No way," "That's awesome."
And The Crown? Isn't that more formal?
Yes, and that's why it's perfect after Friends. It helps you understand the British accent and polite English, the kind used in official or business contexts. You'll start to notice differences between British and American English.
And The Intern. That's the one with Robert De Niro, right?
Exactly. It's calm, emotional, and full of workplace English. Words like meeting, boss, project, teamwork. It's perfect to prepare for real-world conversations at work.
Okay, Steve. I'm getting good now. I can watch movies with English subtitles and follow most of it. What should I watch next?
Now you're ready for Modern Family, Stranger Things, and The Good Place.
Oh, I love Modern Family. The characters speak fast, though.
True, but that's exactly what you need now, real rhythm. At B1 level, you want to get used to how native speakers connect words. It also has a mix of American accents, a great training for your ear.
And Stranger Things?
That one helps you understand natural English among friends, especially teenagers. It's full of emotion, adventure, and simple phrases you can reuse in daily life.
What about The Good Place?
It's fantastic for vocabulary and humor. You'll hear expressions about feelings, philosophy, and behavior, but in a funny way. Plus, every episode is short, which makes it great for study sessions.
And what if I want to watch something more serious, like documentaries?
Great idea. For learners, I recommend Our Planet Explained and Inside Bill's Brain,
Why those three?
because they're narrated clearly with rich vocabulary and beautiful visuals. Our Planet helps with nature and science words. Explained teaches you modern topics from money to music in short 20-minute episodes. And Inside Bill's Brain introduces you to professional English, innovation, technology, problem solving.
So basically, I can learn about the world and English at the same time.
Exactly. That's the beauty of it. Learning becomes effortless when your mind is curious.
Okay, last question, Steve. Should I use subtitles or not?
Yes, but only English subtitles. Never use your native language because your brain will always choose the easy path. Read, listen, repeat out loud, and enjoy the story. That's how fluency starts.
I love that. So to sum up, for beginners, Peppa Pig, Muzzy, Extra English. For growing learners, Friends, The Crown, The Intern. And for B1, Modern Family, Stranger Things, The Good Place, plus documentaries like Our Planet and Explained.
Exactly. If you follow that list, you'll move from beginner to confident English speaker and have fun doing it.
Perfect. Now I know what I'm watching tonight.
Good. And remember, every episode you watch is one step closer to fluency.
See you in the next lesson, everyone.
Bye for now, and happy watching.